Hello my friends and welcome. Katie here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I am back for another Same Set Syndrome video hop. This month we are showcasing Create and Inkspire. Create and Inkspire is an online publication for card makers, and Courtney has come out with a monthly card kit as well. I am going to be using the July card kit, and some of the creators are going to be using the August kit as well. To be entered into this month's giveaway, which is up to 4 card kits, you've got to leave a comment and subscribe to the channels or Instagram accounts or blogs by September 6th. So rules: subscribe, follow, leave a comment by September 6th. Winners are going to be announced on September 9th. Your comment is also going to be entering you into a $50 gift card to for a grand prize at the end of the hop. So make sure you're subscribed and you're commenting, and you're going to be entered into everything. So let's get started. Now I'm going to be using some hot press watercolor paper, 100% cotton Strathmore, and I'm just taping that down to my desk. I work on a glass desk, so I just tape everything down. And then I'm going to take the Sunray Crosette, which is the Nouveau Shimmer Powder that comes in the July card kit, and I am going to douse this paper with a whole bunch of it. Now, normally you don't need a whole lot, but I wanted to get the flecks of pink and red that pop up when you add water. And you can see a little bit here already on the paper, but it's going to really pop out once I add this water. Now, you might think that that's a lot there, but I'm going to add some more. So once I get that saturated, I'm going to dump some more on there, and then I'm going to let this air dry. And with the magic of editing, I'm going to be done. So here I'm taking off my tape, and then I'm going to die cut this into 6 2x2 squares, and I'm going to use my Waffle Flowers Waffle Flower Color Combos die set, and that's going to give me 2 perfectly squared 2x2 squares. And then I'm going to take the open frame that you see there, and then I'm going to create a frame within a frame, and you're going to see all that on screen here, but I just want to go back and reiterate entering the giveaway. You want to make sure you're subscribed, you're commenting, and you enter by September 6th, 11:59 Eastern Time. And then the winners are going to be announced on September 9th. Some of the channels are giving away, like extra kits. So we have one as the whole group kit that we're giving away. And then there's 3 other people that are giving away kits on their Instagram or their YouTube channel. So just make sure that when you're watching the videos, you're listening in case they give us a different giveaway day, where you've got different deadlines. But I think everybody's sticking with the September 6th as the deadline for your comments and subscription, and then announcements are on September 9th. All the info is going to be in the description box below, so no worries there. And a link to Create and Inkspire is going to be also listed in the description box. If you're not familiar with Create and Inkspire, it's an online publication, kind of like a magazine. So you can get a monthly subscription, relatively inexpensive, and that's going to also give you a discount on the monthly card kit that comes out on the 15th of every month. So back to the card. So I'm actually making 6 cards, and I wanted to do something simple and quick and easy that can easily be replicatable even if you don't have this particular stamp set. So I cut my 2x2 squares, and now I am just taking a portion of the flowers and lining them up where I want them in the square and stamping them. And now here's that frame that I was talking about. So I've created a little frame within a frame, and I'm going to use some gold craft stock to cut that frame out. And I wasn't quite even when I lined up my layers, and so one, like the bottom piece or one of the edges, is going to be a little bit longer or wider, And so I used that at the bottom of this where the stem is, and that way it gave it more like a windowsill type look. And once I adhere that down, I am going to pop this up on some double-sided foam tape, and then I am going to adhere that to my card base, which is A2 size, side folding, and it's the 110-pound Nina Classic Crest Solar White. And here I use this little trick where I save my release paper, the larger pieces of release paper, and then when I need to cut skinny strips for my double-sided foam tape, I have an easier time of cutting. And I'm going to add a little liquid glue to that double-sided foam tape just to give me some wiggle room if I need to move that around at all. And I eyeball this and line it up as best I can, and then I'm going to take some of the sentiments and my transparency grid to line up those sentiments where I want it underneath that little frame. And this first one is Missing You Today. And then right after this, because I don't show you all the stamping because it's all the same, I use one stamp from the Messages for Every Day from Simon Says stamp. It says, I can't wait to see you. See, this says Missing You Today, but this one I did it too low, the Missing You Today, so I had a big gap. And so I just took I can't wait to see you from that Messages for Every Day from Simon Says stamp and filled in that gap. And these are all the cards that I made, and super simple, super quick, can be replicated with anything that you have. And that's going to finish up the cards for me today, guys. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Click the link in the description box below and follow along on the hop. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.